So why do we need this, right? Everybody wants to prevent equipment failures. What if we are giving you the information to avoid that failure? Information about your critical equipment, about how it is performing, what it needs to do to perform at the optimum level, and what is it lacking today. Right? Why do we need this? It minimizes your downtime. It improves your productivity. It reduces your total cost of ownership, maintenance cost, and most importantly, it is going to improve the safety of your valued field resources. Right? I mean, how many accidents have we seen in the recent past that could have been avoided if we had the information ahead of time? And we are here to provide you that information ahead of time, and we are taking that burden away from you. And I'm going to show you today how we are doing this.